entering now Italy. We're going to Trieste, Italy. So we're here by the boundary. Look, there's nobody in the boundary. Ay, they have a check. Luckily, we don't get check. Yes, this time we are entering now Trieste. No, it's not really the Trieste, but this is the boundary from Slovenia going to Italy. So we are here now in Trieste. Look, this is Trieste. Yeah, this is almost the city center, but we're going by the beach. So this is on the way to the beach of Trieste, Italy. So come and join us. We will see and we will have a look what is the beach here in Italy. Look over there. I see now we're almost by the beach. Yes, and this is their bus. And there's like the beach, all the boat or the sailing boat is there. So we're going there. And now we're here. We're at the parking. And look, we got shocked. This is the beach in Italy where we've been. This is the beach in Trieste. Yeah, may ladder lang. Mayroon lang hagdanan ba yun? Ano ba yun? Tulay. Ano bang beach yan? Diyos ko, nakaka-disappointed. Galit tuloy sa akin lahat ng mga anak ko. Look, they're so disappointed with the beach. Kasi naman, tinan mo naman ang itsura ng beach. Ano bang klaseng beach yan? Parang nasa kulungan. Tulay-tulay lang. Doon ka sa ibabaw ng tulay at tatalon ka. Beach ba naman yan? Ay, nako. We drove so far para lang sa ganung beach. Panginoon ko. So, uwian na. Balikan na kami. Tiyakan, pagtatawanan kami ni Rika baby ko. Kasi naman nagpunta pa kami dito. Ano ba yan? Palpak na nga yung first one sa Slovenia. Yung waterfalls na walang water. Ngayon naman beach na sa tulay. So we're going back na to Croatia. So grabe, dalawang palpak today. But anyway, we're going back. Doon na lang kami sa Croatia beach. So this is the highway on the way going out Slovenia. Tapos from Slovenia, we're going to Croatia. So this is it. So we're going back to Opatija. So ito yung boundary. Malapit lang itong, this place is just near in Slovenia. So ito yung itsura. This is a village near to the boundary. So ito yung itsura niya. Here in Italy, this is how it looks like. Ayan. We're almost by the boundary na here. Entering Slovenia na kami. Ayan o. Dito na kami. Wow, may check na naman. May control. At na-check pa kami. Ayan, na-check kami dito. Nag-stay kami quite long. Tagal lang check ha. Pogi pa naman si mamang pulis.